How to recover TikTok account without password, phone number, and email address. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of profile. Now at the top right corner, you can find three bars. Click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll find the option of report a problem. Open it. Now click on this option of account recovery. Now click on this option of TikTok username. Now you can type in your TikTok username over here. After you type in, click on next. As you don't have access to your phone number and email address, click on this option of need help. Now over here you have to explain about your issue that you have forgotten your password and you don't have access to the phone number and email address linked with your TikTok account. Likewise, make sure you enter the email address that you have linked to right now. After you type in, you can also add the screenshot and video of your TikTok profile. Once you are done, you can submit it. Now within 24 hours, TikTok support team will get back to you. And with that, your TikTok account will be recovered. Well, this is how you can recover TikTok account without password, phone number, and email address. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.